In this video, we are going to be working in the temple area. This area can become really impacted negatively, largely because when we're chewing, we tend not to be symmetrical. If you notice when I clench, this muscle gets activated. So if you're always chewing on one side more than the other, that creates an asymmetry up and through here, which creates pressure and tension for the eyes. It's partly responsible for the crow's feet. So this is a really fun area to work, and we can do both sides at one time with the hands. All I'm going to do is I'm going to use my third and fourth fingers, and I'm just going to plant them right into this area of the temples and just allow body weight and gravity to do the work as the head sinks into the fingertips. And once you start to settle in here, let's be sure to focus on that full exhale, exhaling for a count of 6, inhaling for a count of 4, and in and out through the nose unless you can't. And now to create a little bit of added movement, we're not going to move the fingers on the surface. We're just going to gently lift the head slightly and then tuck the chin slightly. So we're getting a bit of a torquing action, allowing the fingers to screw a little more deeply into the space. The slower you move, the deeper we get. You can also play around with opening and closing the jaw. You can just notice how when you open the jaw, you can feel the tissue under your fingertips migrating. Whatever action you choose, this is going to help to release a lot of that tension. If you have headaches, eye strain, crow's feet, even hair loss, this area will be helpful at the hairline to bring balance and symmetry back into this space. Now, while you continue doing that, I just want to show you how easy it is to work the paddle in this area. I love using the paddle here because I would only be doing one side at a time, but you can really get in there and just beautifully search. You can even rest the paddle handle on a table. And again, just letting the weight of the head and gravity do the work. You can also use the paddle handle and create a lot of different torques. That shearing action is what's really beneficial to get to those deeper adhesions all the way to the bone where the issues are really rooted. So let's spend one more minute here with the fingers. You may notice sometimes that even opening the eyes can feel sticky. One often feels more sticky than another. Working this on a regular basis will help to move out some of those toxins that are creating that stickiness, and again, create that space to improve that blood and oxygen flow to this area. We'll take 3 more slow exhales here. And when you're ready, you can lift up and just notice how you feel. Again, the goal of this work is balance and symmetry, to have the most open opportunity for the light to come from within and express outward to the world. It's all about space. If there's congestion, adhesion, that's blocking that flow, it's blocking the light. And not only do we change in how we look as a result of that, also the function of all of the structures changes as well. So dive in and enjoy.